Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video practicing 2 and 3 letter CVC words of family I. This is my third video on 2 and 3 CVC letter words, and please watch my previous video letter A and E, which I have given in the description box. I phonic sound is E. So when we add the other letter to the I phonic sound is E and phonic sound is N. E, N, in. E, if. E, s, is. E, t, it. E, g, eek. E, b, eep. E, d, id. E, m, im. E, eat. After this 2-letter word, I am practicing worksheets to read and write for 2 to 3 days. Once kids become good with reading these 2-letter words like in, if, is, it, we can introduce this 3-letter CVC words. If is reading like e, n, in, give them one more day to practice these 2-letter words. So we should read like in, if, is. Then it will be easy to introduce 3-letter words. Let's see 3-letter CVC words of family ib. B, ib, bib. F, ib, fib. J, ib, jib. R, ib, rib. N, ib, nib. Next we have it family. B, id, bit. D, it, did. H, it, hit. K, it, kid. L, it, lid. R, it, rid. Next we have ik family. B, ik, big. D, ik, dig. F, ik, fig. J, ik, jig. P, ik, pig. V, ik, vig. Next we have im family. D, im, dim. H, im, him. R, im, rim. K, im, in. J, im, jim. Next we have in family. B, in, bin. F, in, fin. K, in, kin. P, in, pin. S, in, sin. T, in, tin. V, in, win. Next we have it family. B, it, bit. F, it, fit. H, it, hit. G, it, git. L, it, lit. P, it, bit. S, it, sit. V, it, wit. Next we have IP, ip family. D, ip, dip. H, ip, hip. L, ip, lip. N, ip, nip. P, ip, pip. R, ip, rip. S, ip, sip. T, ip, tip. Z, ip, zip. So like this we can introduce 3-letter words once kids become familiar with the 2-letter reading. So this is 2-letter flashcard to read like I, N, E, N, in, E, A, is, eat, eat. And also this colorful shades will give more attractive to the kid and they like to read these letters. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and do subscribe for my channel.